Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sure most of us have played with puzzle pieces in our childhood, and now we don't have time for those stuff. But if you still got those pieces left, I'm sure you can turn them into a cute keychain. I'll show you how. Before we start the video, I wanna tell you guys that I'll be uploading a sketchbook tour soon, so make sure you don't miss it out. You can press the notification bell down below so you can never miss out on any updates on my channel. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And then let's start crafting.